Hi, I'm Emma from CHS Group, and tonight I'm making our recipe of the month, which is Thai red curry from Chow Prayer in Leeds. So I'm going to start by making the red curry paste. So here I have the red chillies, shallot, lemongrass. I'm using ginger because I couldn't get any galangal, and that was the garlic, and a couple of kaffir lime leaves. I'm going to add a bit of salt to this, and then I'm going to mash it to a paste, and we'll then have our Thai red curry paste. And in goes my half a teaspoon of shrimp paste, because I'm just doing this for 2 people. So I now have my curry paste, which smells fantastic actually, and we're going to use this as the base for our curry. So I've added the coconut milk. The recipe actually says to add your chicken first, but as I don't eat chicken and I'm using prawns, I've done it this way. So I'm going to add my prawns and let them cook through for a couple of seconds. Okay, so those prawns are cooked, and I'm going to add the palm sugar, the fish sauce, and the basil leaves. So here we have it, the Thai green chicken but prawn curry. This recipe of the month is from Chow Prayer, and it's on our website at chsgroup.uk.com. and if you don't fancy making it but you fancy seeing Chow Prayer in action, then come and see them at the show. They'll be doing a cooking demonstration, and you can find out more details at conferenceandhospitalityshow.co.uk. Thank you. All that's left for me now is to go and enjoy this, and we'll see you at the show.